I'm willing to bet a Canadian loonie that you've never eaten one of these things. So you're in the produce aisle at the grocery store and there's a pile of these brown, slightly squishy things with fur on them. You know, it doesn't really scream delicious. You walk right by them just like you do star fruit. So what is it? Well, it's a kiwi. Now, I really didn't know a whole lot about kiwis, so I went to Wiki, and here's what I found out. Really, it's called a kiwi fruit. Kiwi is okay. They're also called Chinese gooseberries. They first were recorded in eastern China in the 12th century. People didn't really eat them, but they were used medicinally. They were given to children to help them grow. They were given to women who had given childbirth to help them recover. Did it work for either of those things? Well, I don't know. Who knows? It says on Wiki that the skin is edible. You know, it also says it's tart. I'm not very good with sour, so I'll take their word for that. The ones we get now are called Haywards, developed by Hayward Wright in Avondale, New Zealand around 1924. Somewhere in the 1940s, it became commercially viable agriculturally in New Zealand. The raw kiwi contains actinidine, which is commercially useful as a meat tenderizer, and possibly a digestive aid. They are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and they get a little bit of vitamin E in there also, so they are good for you. In 1981, it was discovered that a few people are allergic to them, and the allergy can range from tingling in the mouth to anaphylaxis. So, first time you eat one, eat just a little bit, make sure it doesn't kill you. Again, that's rare, so, you know, don't be put off by it. So what do you do with them? Well, I've included a link down below to a site called Drizzle Me Skinny. They have 25 kiwi recipes on there. They have a salsa, which they really pitch as being good with salmon. I'm going to try that. They have quick bread, salad, sorbet, kiwi lime loaf cake. Does that sound good? Cheesecake, pudding cups. And you know, I got to tell you, the place I first discovered a kiwi was in the 1980s somewhere. Snapple had strawberry kiwi as a flavor, and it was great. And it was great enough that I went out and bought one of these things to try it. So right now, I'm not going to make anything with it. I'm just going to go ahead and eat one. And the way I do that, I cut it in half. It's nice and green on the inside. We'll show it to the GoPro here, I think. GoPro isn't cooperating. Okay, there we go. And we'll just take a spoon to it. And, you know, I'm not very good at describing flavors. It's slightly tart. It's got all these seeds in it, so it's got a little bit of texture to it. Very wet. It's almost like eating an orange as far as the liquid content to it. And the skin is really tough, makes a really nice container for this. It doesn't get sloppy. Go get one of these, try it out. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate you being here. I've included a link down below to Drizzle Me Skinny so you can see those recipes. I hope you will visit the website, tkip.blog, and from there you can get to the YouTube channel, and on YouTube, as long as you're there, subscribe. I need subscribers. It's free. I'm not going to bother you with a bunch of emails, but getting the subscriber count up helps a lot with YouTube and their algorithm. Yeah, that's the word. So, hey, thanks for watching. We'll have another video coming up soon. Thanks, kids.